Hello everyone, I'm Brian again. Of course, I'm promoting NT series. Over 400 Sovereign panels were sold during the past 3 years, keeping support more than 19 different countries and regions. Absen NT series has become one of the best-seller products in the rental stage markets. So, what's the last best-seller for the last 3 years? Here we go. Absen NT V2 series. It was designed with ultra lightweight, more durable and 29% payback period.
The NT V2 series are designed by the aerospace materials, which is die-casting magnesium alloy. Only 9.7 kg per floor panel, 24% lighter than the conventional products in the market. Only 6.8 kg per half panel design to reduce the cost of shipments. With AMD 2-in-1 LED technology key feature, the maximum thrust force of NT 2.6 V2 could achieve over 30 kg force. The innovation LED technology makes NT V2 more durable during the rental stage applications. Additionally, Absen's LED PCB is using anti-damage layout design, the easier maintenance, the lower cost of after-service. About the NT V2 installation, thanks to the pre-holding hands and the smart curvable lock design, the speed of installation of NT V2 is faster than we expected. So it's more friendly to the end users and higher efficiency to the installations. High-end stacking systems, the curvable lock adjustment, and the left and the right quick lock design. The installation speed is improved by over 20%. Save more labor costs during the projects. About the maintenance, modular design, easy maintenance. The module dimension of NT 2.6 and 2.9 V2 are 500 by 250 mm. They are compatible with the same cabinet and the same PSU. The modules and the PSU support full front and rear maintenance. The edge protection. NT V2 was integrated flip over corner protection and bottom pins, which could take care of LEDs from the damage during the shipment and the operations. Creative installation. The curved angle of NT V2 support from convex 7.5 degree to concave 10 degree, and it's also could compatible with the FL V2 series to create a flexible LED video wall. We also support the cube version for NT V2 series with the quick lock bins. We could remove the top and bottom locks in 2 seconds. It's very easy to make 90-degree or cube-shaped LED video walls. About the visual display, the peak brightness of NT V2 series are 1000 nits, fully support HDR10 Plus display. The cinema quality visual performance with 7,680 Hz refresh rate, 60-bit grayscale, and 94% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage. Unlock more product key features, please contact our sales.
Absen NT V2 series, maximize your ROI faster.